Welcome to the Master Yoga class. We are talking tonight about heat and how to deal with the heat. So it's hot, it's warm today. We have hot temperatures. I know we have somebody here that's on the East Coast right now. It's warm there. Very warm right now in Reno and in the mountains. So how do we deal with heat? We do have a tendency in our culture to gravitate towards cold drinks, and that is actually not a fast way to deal with heat, especially if you're heating up internally. So if you're heating up internally, the fastest way to cool down is by either taking a cold cloth, placing it on you, or you take a cold shower or a cold bath, and that instantly will cool down the body. That is one of the fastest ways. If you are going to consume fluids, which you should be doing when there's heat, lots of heat, you want to have room temperature to warm. You do not want anything iced, because what your body does is it will then increase heat to try to digest that iced drink. It's not good for you. Ice causes constriction. It seems like you're helping yourself by drinking something cold, but you're not actually. Okay, so that's something to consider. And remember, you want to do your exercise in the first thing in the morning, in the coolest parts of the day, or at the end of the day, not in the middle of the day. You want to pay attention to, especially if you have a lot of heat in your constitution and you're more pitta, then you have to really pay attention to the heat. Make sure that you're not doing anything super intense in the middle of the day when the temperatures are rising and at their peak. You want to do the hard things first thing in the morning or later when things are cool. You definitely do want to do some exercise, but do it when it's cooler temperatures, sunrise or at dusk. Okay, so those are some basic things that you could do. There's a breathing technique that you can also use where you inhale through the nose and then you take your tongue and you round it and you allow your exhale to move out of the tongue. And so what that does is it releases excess heat out of the body. Also, if you were to just inhale through the nose and get the heat out that way, that's another way. Okay, so breathing techniques as well as cool like towel or taking a cool bath or a shower. That's the fastest way to cool down. Okay, not ice drinks. Stop with the ice drinks. We're addicted to it in the West. It's not ideal. Okay, we're moving on and we're going to do a practice tonight that helps us to remove heat, disperse heat out of the body.